Big fish love stinky bait? Busting the number 1 fishing myth. Opening 0:000:20. Hey anglers! Ever heard someone say, stinky bait only catches small fish? Well, that's a total myth. Today, I'm going to show you why big fish actually love stinky, protein-packed bait and how to use it to land your trophy catch. Segment 1. The myth explained. 0:21:00. Here's why so many people think stinky bait only works on small fish. Small fish are aggressive and fast. They grab the bait first. Anglers see lots of tiny bites and assume big fish aren't interested. But here's the truth. Big fish do like stinky bait, they're just more cautious. They often feed later, after the small fish have had their share. Segment 2. Nature's truth. Big fish love stinky bait. 1:001:40. Check this out. Carp eat snails, insects naturally strong-smelling foods. Crucian carp, in fall and winter, hunt worms and redworms. Catfish and big bluegill feed on small fish and shrimp. The smell is basically a dinner bell. Grass carp, even plant eaters crave high-protein stinky bait during growth periods. Takeaway: stinky bait equals high protein, high energy. Big fish can't resist it. Segment 3. Science behind the smell. 1:42:20. Why does stinky bait work? It comes down to trimethylamine, from fish and shrimp powder, super attractive to fish. Amino acids, protein breakdown products that trigger feeding. Fish smell hundreds of times better than humans, detecting these molecules from far away. So, big fish don't like stinky bait is misleading. It's more about how you present the bait. Segment 4. How to use stinky bait for big fish. 2:23:20. Here's how to beat the small fish and hook the giants. Adjust the bait. Make it firmer, form bigger bait balls so small fish can't steal them. Reduce dusting/fine particles to avoid attracting tiny pests. Change your fishing method. Slow and dull float action to filter small fish bites. Use weight fishing or bottom rigs to get bait quickly down to big fish. Night fishing avoids the peak activity of small fish. Smart combinations. Pair stinky bait with mild grain or cereal baits to balance flavor. Add small amounts of alcohol-treated corn to help keep big fish in the area. Closing 3:23:50. Next time you go fishing, don't be afraid of stinky bait. Adjust the bait, pick the right method, and you can attract both small and trophy-sized fish. If you found this tip useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite stinky bait combo. Tight lines, everyone!